The Grand Paris Express represents a monumental leap forward in urban engineering, connecting the city like never before. More than 200 kilometers of entirely new metro lines.
68 underground stations.
And nearly 20 giant tunnel boring machines are operating simultaneously beneath the heart of Paris.
One of the most complex cities in Europe.
Bring it down slowly, watch the left side. Copy that, easy now.
Right below historic boulevards that are over a century old.
France is building a completely new underground transport network.
Large enough to be considered a second metro city,
Forming a parallel with the Paris we see today. After more than 120 years of operation,
The original metro system, designed for a previous century,
is becoming the biggest bottleneck for a metropolitan region of over 12 million residents. So how can such a massive metro network be constructed beneath one of the most complex urban environments in Europe?
Let's explore the answer together with Mandarin Tech.
We need to adjust the trajectory slightly right here.
All right, I see it. Making the change now.
Lifting the TBM cutter head is one of the most critical and delicate operations in the entire construction process.
Grand Paris Express is an entirely new transport network being built almost from scratch beneath the Paris metropolitan region.
with the support structures now firmly in place, the team can begin lowering the massive prefabricated sections into the pit.
When completed around 2030, the system will include 4 fully automated lines.
The arrival of the sleek new train marks a significant milestone for the city's infrastructure.
We are delighted to welcome you to the inauguration of the new Metro line. Thank you for joining us today.
It's finally here. This is incredible.
Lines 15, 16, 17, and 18.
To make this network possible, dozens of deep construction shafts have been opened right in the middle of existing residential areas.
Allowing a large number of tunnel boring machines to operate simultaneously underground.
Check the torque on the stabilizers. We've got too much vibration on the north side.
At the same time, around 600,000 precast concrete segments are being continuously manufactured to form the protective lining of the entire new tunnel system.
Many of the stations are being built at depths comparable to multi-story buildings.
and will connect directly with the existing metro and RER networks,
creating a completely new cross-regional transport structure.
Once in operation, the network is expected to serve around 2 million passengers every day.
Designed for the future, this station exemplifies efficiency, handling the city's growing population with ease.
Making Grand Paris Express the first major orbital transport backbone that allows suburban areas around Paris to connect directly with one another.
Moving thousands of commuters daily, these escalators are the arteries of the urban landscape, a testament to modern engineering.
From these vast excavations to the complex engineering diagrams, every effort is made to move the millions who call this city home,
without having to pass through the city center, as commuters have been forced to do for more than a century.
The sleek design of the new metro line integrates seamlessly with the city's modern architecture, reflecting a future of urban transit. Before the first tunnel boring machine even began to rotate, Grand Paris Express had already become one of the most...
Lower it slowly, watch the left side. Okay, almost there, bring it down.
Unlike metro projects built in undeveloped areas, most of the new lines had to pass through urban districts that have existed for hundreds of years.
This meant that before digging underground could begin, the entire surface environment above had to be reorganized.
Hundreds of land parcels were acquired. Many existing structures had to be demolished.
Affirmative, bring it down slowly.
We've got a clear path on the left side, let's use that route.
Several roads and utility systems were temporarily relocated to make space for construction shafts.
In the Arcueil-Cachat area, to prepare the connection between the new metro line and the existing RER network, a massive...
Once the main excavation is complete, we move to install the prefabricated bridge structure over the new road.
This marked the starting point of one of the largest underground construction operations ever deployed in a densely populated urban environment.
How the underground stations are built.
If the tunnels are the structural backbone of the Grand Paris Express, then the stations are the strategic anchor.
Right here, these three need tightening. Okay, putting torque on it now. All right, let's move to the next section.
Ensure the load is secure before proceeding.
Copy that. Copy that. We are clear on this level.
Is the next truck ready for the pour?
Yes, send it to the main side. This one is good to go. Watch the flow rate, don't go too fast. Yeah, I'm keeping it steady right here.
Most of the Grand Paris Express stations are built using a controlled cut and cover construction method. First, engineers construct
Deep trenches are excavated in advance. Steel reinforcement cages are lowered into place.
Concrete is poured to form a stable structural frame that protects the entire construction zone.
Only after this protective box is completed can the soil inside be excavated layer by layer in a carefully planned sequence.
If we adjust the bracing here, it minimizes the stress on the main span.
That aligns with the engineering diagrams. Let's proceed with that adjustment.